Hi everyone! Today we're going to draw and color some super fun glittery slippers. So grab your colors and let's get started.
Welcome to Tiny Hands Art.
Yay! First, I draw the footbed and strap of the slippers. Then I draw some lines to divide them into colorful sections. These are flip-flop slippers, also known as chapals or sandals in many countries. They're open-toed, comfortable footwear, usually worn in warm weather or at the beach. Now it's color time. First, I use light blue to color the first stripe. Did you know? Flip-flop slippers make a fun flop-flop sound when you walk. That's how they got their name. Next, I use green for the next section. These colorful glitter slippers are fun, comfy, and perfect for a sunny summer day. Then, I use this beautiful purple glitter. A pair of sparkly slippers with colorful stripes that look playful and magical. After that, it's time for some orange. Finally, I color the strap with shiny yellow glitter. All done! Look at these sparkly, colorful slippers! Don't they look amazing? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and glittery drawings. See you next time. Bye!